Khushwant Singh. Khushwant Singh was born on 2 February 1915, Hadali, now in Pakistan. Died March 20, 2014, New Delhi, India, and his profession was novelist, journalist, historian, lawyer, and politician. Khushwant Singh was born in Hadali, a small village in the Punjab region, now in Pakistan, during British India. His father, Sir Shobha Singh, was a wealthy builder and contractor in Delhi, and his mother, Lady William Kaur, was known for her religious and charitable nature. He studied at Modern School, Government College, Lahore, and later at St. Stephen's College, Delhi. After that, he went to King's College, London, and Inner Temple, London, to study law and qualify as a barrister. And after returning to India, Singh briefly practiced law in Lahore before joining the Indian Foreign Service (IFS) in 1947. Soon after India's independence, he served as press attaché and information officer in MSc in London and Ottawa. Later, he left government service to become a full-time writer and journalist. Journalism and editing career. Khushwant Singh was one of India's most successful editors. He edited several major publications: the Illustrated Weekly of India, the National Herald, Hindustan Times. His column with malice towards one and all became legendary for its wit, honesty, and sharp commentary on Indian society and politics. And he served as member of Rajya Sabha, Upper House of Parliament, from 1980 to 1986. He was known for his secular views and progressive thoughts. And he was awarded with the Padma Bhushan in 1974, Padma Vibhushan in 2007, Rockefeller Foundation Fellowship, honored by several universities and literary organizations worldwide. And Khushwant Singh passed away on March 20, 2014 at the age of 99 in New Delhi. He was cremated at Lodi Electric Crematorium. Even after his death, his works continue to inspire readers for their realism, compassion, and humor. And his literary career. This is the most important for us. His writing career started with short stories that captured Indian life, society, and human behavior with humor and realism. His first book, The Mark of Vishnu and Other Stories, 1950, gave him early recognition. His masterpiece, Train to Pakistan, 1956, is a powerful novel on the partition of India, showing both tragedy and humanity. And other notable novels include I Shall Not Hear the Nightingale, 1959 का novel है, Delhi, a novel, 1990, The Company of Women, 1999, The Sunset Club, 2010. Apart from fiction, he was also known for his historical and political writings such as A History of the Sikhs. Thanks for watching.